Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Solo Garage. So today we're going to be working on Project Adam, replacing a much needed front bash bar. Went with an aftermarket piece from Doryoku, I think is how it said. I mostly found him through Facebook. I think my old roommate did had his valve cover painted by him. So I've seen a lot of positive reviews. Seems to do a lot of work. I'll try to remember to leave a tag for him throughout the video. But before we get to opening our box, I want to thank you guys for the continued support on the channel. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Again, the goal is to upload a video once a month. So hopefully that all goes well. Starting off with this one. Now without further ado, let's open up our box. All right, let's go ahead and open up the box. And we'll take it out of the wrap and have a closer look. Alright, not a very good close-up look. It's kind of hard to see in this light, but there is our front bash bar from Doryoku. I believe I'm saying that right. Pretty simple design. I got it in matte black, but there's plenty of options that he gives you as far as colors, tow hooks, other things. Alright, as you guys can see, this front bash bar has taken a lot of damage from the first deer hit on the first day that I got this car, and then that accident I had with that older lady. So she's been through a lot. The only thing I'm seeing so far that's different is probably easier to show you guys on this side. Is, if I'm not mistaken, this attaches to this, so not sure how I'm gonna mount that on the other one. We'll see. Alright, first we're gonna remove this little bracket here. It's already missing part of it because, like I said, Project Adam was in the shop for a little bit with the little headlight issue. Pretty much whenever I turned on my lights at night, my turn signal light was staying on at all times. I don't think there's another one. Oh, there is another one. Oof. Yeah, I'm not sure how we're gonna mount that on there, honestly. Alright, I could be mistaken, but it seems like the only two bolts holding this thing on are one of these on this side and another one on the other side that I've already taken out. So we're gonna take those out. They are 12 millimeters. Just hit it with a ratchet. So I'm gonna finish taking this one out and the support should come off. Alright, so it only comes with 4 bolts. I think I'm starting to figure out. I knew I was gonna say I was trying to leave a link, but it comes with his links right here on the bag. So if you guys are interested in any products that he makes, I'm gonna leave this up real quick. So pretty much it is that one bolt holding it. Looks like we're gonna have to remove this one as well, and then this just mounts where that other bolt was, and use those 2 holes as the mounting points. Bolts have been removed. So let's try to install our front bash bar. Alright, here she is fully installed. Pretty simple. Again, not sure about the front bumper supports. I believe is what they're called. Front bumper stiffeners is what they are. I did send him a message. He has not responded yet. So when he does, I'll probably let you guys know what he says. But that is it. Pretty simple installation. Looks pretty clean. And it's supposed to be a lot lighter. I'll look up the specifics later on once I make the outro. But there she is. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I'm not going to put the bumper on just yet because we do have another product that I had to reorder for the bumper. But I did get in touch with, I believe his name is Charlie. And he told me that you don't need the, front bumper stiffeners anymore. The bumper should sit just right on the track bar and actually provides a better support. Whenever you do buy something from him, he'll send you a link to pretty much the product, whatever product you are buying, with all the details of like weight savings. So I believe it goes from 13.5 pounds OEM to 7.5 with his track bar. So 6 pounds lighter, which is a good chunk. As far as price, it is $215 plus $35 for the shipping. But as I was saying, he'll send you a link with all the information for whatever product you're buying. It gives you a list of the options that you can get. Say you want jack supports, you can get those. Different colors, powder coated, lots of options that it gives you. So obviously that's a little extra. I got pretty much just the base set. So like I said, that was $215 plus a $35 for the shipping. But again, pretty awesome product. Thank you to Doryoku. I have a hard time pronouncing it. In the future, I plan to buy the rear track bar. I just really wanted to get the front one replaced since the OEM one was pretty damaged. But that is it. Like I said, if you guys did enjoy the video, smash that like button. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see any specific part or product, I guess, a review in the future. But until next time, remember to stay safe, take care, and as always, keep fucking going.